In this example, we want to find the exact value of the inverse tangent of the sine of pi over 2. So we know that the sine of pi over 2 is just going to give us some value on the unit circle. Pi over 2 is on the positive y-axis. So if we take a look at the unit circle here, we know that pi over 2 is up here, and we know that it has ordered pairs of 0, 1. At 0 radians, it's 1, 0. So the sine is the y-coordinate, so this is just going to be 1, right? The sine of pi over 2 is equal to 1. So now we're going to use this fact to help us evaluate this inverse tangent. So this just means the inverse tangent of 1 is equal to something that we're looking for. We're trying to figure out what this value is. So if you recall, this really just means the tangent of some angle is equal to 1, and we want to know what is that angle. Now, because the value of our input is positive, that tells us that we're going to get an output of some angle in quadrant 1. So we know that the tangent is defined as the y-coordinate divided by the x-coordinate. And in order for this quotient to be 1, the values of y and x must be the same. So that's going to happen here at where the ordered pairs are square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2, which is an angle of pi over 4 radians. So this means that theta is equal to pi over 4. So when we evaluate this, the inverse tangent of the sine of pi over 2, that is equal to pi over 4.